What I've been doing is basically making this a completely flat, almost chisel grind, and I've been slowly putting a convex on this side. So I've already went through my Atoma plate, just getting the rough coarse scratches done. My 120 Shapton Pro. I'm now on my 320 Sahara Rica, which is where I'm picking up with you guys, so thought I'd share a little bit of this. I'm not going to record the whole damn thing, but I will record a little bit of it. So I'm laying flat on the stone. Now I'm slowly starting to increase the angle. As far as pressure goes, I'm using a really light pressure. Maybe not as light as some people would use on a diamond stone, but light for me. I'm laying back flat again. Starting to lift up. Dropping back down. Flat back on the stone. I was doing this and I forgot to cut the damn edge off, so I slipped off the stone, and buddy, I cut the shit out of my finger. I probably need stitches. I may show it to you guys at the very end. So looking at my knife, I can still see right here in the tip I've got some shining light from my previous apex. So I know I haven't hit the apex in that area yet, so I know I need to keep going. Went pretty steep on that one. I didn't mean to go quite so steep, but it did. I'm getting just the start of a burr. So I'm laying flat. And I'm barely going to lift up. Let me turn my phone off. Sorry about that, guys. My finger's starting to throb. Still got to hit the apex in a few spots on this side. Once I'm done with that, I'll be pretty much done with this stone. I'll show you guys what it looks like. Then I'll go through my other stones and come back when I've got a complete edge. You guys haven't been able to tell yet through my videos, I'm a little bit of a perfectionist. I like everything to look good on my bevels. I like everything to be even and symmetrical. That may not play well with convex sharpening because it's kind of a crude way of, I wouldn't say it's a crude way, but it doesn't matter if it's ugly or not. You know, it's all about function over, or form over function. How does that go? Function over form. It's all about, does it cut? Is it sharp? Is the edge strong? Where I'm worried about, is it even? Does it look good? I know, I got it backwards, but I can't help it. It's the way I am. I think you guys get the idea, though. I'm not going to sit here and bore you to death. I'll show you where we're at right now as far as my bevel and angle and all that stuff. I think it's going to look really good when it's all said and done. Anyway, I'll bring you guys back once I've got it all squared away. So this is where I am currently. I haven't stropped yet. I just came off the 5K stone. So it's pretty rough. Still got a shit ton of scratches, but that's all right. Let's see, where did it? There it is. So I went back over my strop and sanded it out, and then put some white compound on it. Still hadn't broke out my new strop. I'm saving it, but I'm gonna get it out here soon. If this one's still gonna serve me well, I'll just keep on using it until it's no longer viable. No sense in not using it if it can still be used. All I'm doing right here, guys, is I'm just polishing this bevel. I'm not even touching the sides. I'm not even touching the apex yet. Now, I did a few times when I first started, but I mean, they were very light, and I was pretty acute, so I don't even think it touched the apex. So I almost got a mirror polish. There's still a ton of scratches in it though. There's my ugly mug. Got it much thinner than where it was. I should have measured it with my calipers, but I didn't even think about it. I can damn sure feel it. Much thinner. Still not quite where I'd like it, but it's usable now. It's not something I would turn my nose up at. And holy Jesus, it's sharp, guys. This thing is ridiculous. Thanks for watching.